As soon as the olive oil is hot, that's when I add the onion. Okay, so here we are. I have the heat on high. I'll turn it down a bit now. And this is where I'm going to add the cabbage. Now the cabbage has been thoroughly washed, still a little bit wet. Okay, the cabbage is reduced by about half now. This is where I am going to add the vegetables. I just rinse them really well. They're frozen vegetables, but I rinse them really well. And now I will add the spring water or filtered water. And the only thing left to do now is add a couple of bay leaves. I added 3 today, and you just push them down in there. At this point, you just put on the cover and let the soup simmer. Wow, look at this soup. It's been simmering for about a half hour now. It smells absolutely delicious. And so at this point, I will just let it go for about another half hour on simmer. And if I want to stretch the soup and make it even more flavorful and hearty, I sometimes add a can of Amy's organic soup. This one is lentil vegetable, and it gives it a lot more flavor and stretches the soup so that you can eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.